Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add custom emoji in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the left side of the screen, you can choose your workspaces. Once you have chosen your workspaces, click down to the name of your workspaces. Then this type of drop-down menu will appear in your screen. Hover your mouse to Tools and Settings. Then you can see Customize Workspace option. Click to Customize Workspace from Tool section. Then you will be redirected to this type of interface. There you can see emoji, Slack bot, workspace icon, status, channel prefix option. Go to emojis, scroll down a little bit, there you can see Add Custom Emoji. Click to Add Custom Emoji and click to Upload Image. From here, navigate through your device and choose the image, then click to Open. Once you have uploaded the image, give it a name and click to Save. Then your custom emoji will be added. This is how you can add a custom emoji in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.